The Aura is a stylish and ultralight wheelchair created by Unicare Health. It is available in transit or self-propelled models. Depending on the model size, the Aura Transit weighs only 7.5 kilograms when the leg rests are removed and 8.5 kilograms when fully assembled. Meanwhile, the self-propelled model weighs from 11.5 kilograms when fully assembled to as little as 6.5 kilograms with wheels and leg rests removed, making it easy to handle and transport. The wheelchair is crash tested to ISO standard 7176-19. The handbrakes feature an intuitive push to lock and pull to slow down function. Simply squeeze the handle to engage the brakes or push downwards to lock them. Additionally, the self-propelling model has user-enabled push-to-lock brakes on the sides. The Aura features tapered leg rests that reduce the gap between footplates, minimizing the wheelchair footprint and facilitating a tighter turning circle. The footplates are height adjustable and feature removable heel straps for ankle support. The footplates can be flipped upwards and the leg rests swing both inwards and outwards, making them convenient for transfers and under-table access. The leg rest can be easily detached from the frame to enable safe transfers and compact transportation. Another space-saving function is the half-folding backrest, which activates with two pull-down tabs. To fold the chair, flip up the footplates, pull up the seat, push the frame closed and fold down the backrest. A material tab secures the folding mechanism neatly in place. The front caster wheels on both the Transit and self-propelled models have a diameter of 140 mm. On the Transit model, the rear wheels measure 300 mm. Meanwhile, the rear wheels of the self-propelled model are 530 mm in diameter. They are also detachable using a push button, making the wheelchair more compact and lighter to lift. A double cross brace strengthens the frame, providing stability and comfort for the user. Plus, anti-tip wheels protect the user from tipping backward. The Aura has a padded seat and separate backrest made from durable nylon that is easy to wash. The Aura features a flat seat surface. This makes it easy to fit a wheelchair cushion tailored to individual pressure care and positioning needs. It also has a modesty flap that prevents the cushion from sliding off the seat. The armrests are desk length and have a fixed height, allowing easy access to tables and desks. The seat width is available in 4 sizes, including 410, 460, 510, and 560 mm. The 410, 460, and 510 mm suits users up to 136 kilograms, while the 560 mm suits users up to 160 kilograms. The seat depth ranges between 430 and 480 mm, depending on the model size. In addition, the seat-to-floor height gently slopes to contour with the user's body, measuring 500 mm at the front and 450 mm at the rear. With a handy phone pocket and a spacious storage bag, you can keep all your essentials within arm's reach. Show off your style with 2 colour options, rose gold or Meteor grey. Embrace life in style with the Aura wheelchair. Contact Unicare Health or visit our showroom to see if the Aura wheelchair is right for you.